Okay, welcome back. This is the number two, um, video number two for the SaaS platform I'm about to create. So right now I'm gonna create a new Google email and a credential. I'm gonna try to create a new Gmail. Oh, s- no, Gmail. Create a Gmail account. Create a Gmail account. That's what I want. Create an account. I'm gonna go to the process. So this is yeah, this is me, but I want to create the email. I already have multiple accounts. Okay, this is Portuguese. Um, okay, maybe this is not the best way. I'm gonna go in the Gmail in incognito mode so I can create an account for my personal use. Um, okay, since yeah, I'm Daniel, but I don't want to create and let me think here. And no, I'm not gonna create the Melo YouTube, the Melo SaaS. I doubt that is a DMelo says here, and my surname Melo. Okay, I'm gonna put some random information. Yes. Okay, Melo. DMelo SAS Melo. I'm gonna DMelo SAS. Let me see. Password. I don't wanna show recover. Yeah, I'm gonna use my existing. Oh, good. This email is being created. Hmm, I agree. Okay, good. That's awesome. Got it. Got it. Anyway, okay, this is how to create a Gmail account. I open a incognito window so then I can use it. Okay, but why did I create that? Because I'm gonna um, put everything related to the SaaS on under this account. So then I can get rid of once I finish, or even manage in a different way, right? So this email will be my main email. So you already know the email what I'm using. Right now I'm gonna create um, yeah, Azure, Azure DevOps account. Get started, and I'm gonna use that email to uh, create one account. I'm gonna create one account. I'm gonna use that email. Then I'm gonna go and open uh, the inbox, the code, and oh, good. I pasted and had some details. And okay, Is some details, first name. Yeah. Yeah, I don't care because that is not my real email. It's just a temporary email. I hope nobody bothered. So yeah, it will take some time. So meanwhile, this service is very good. We can have up to 5 accounts, at least used to be. I'm not sure right now because I don't know if it increased or decreased, but yeah. Oh, let's prove you're human. Solve the puzzle. So you know you're not a robot. Okay, what is the puzzle? So the puzzle. Okay, use the arrows to rotate the object in the direction of the hands. Okay, this submit. Done. Yeah, robot. I'm a robot that solved the puzzle. I don't know, maybe that puzzle it's easy to solve. Okay, this is very important. Some configuration about the region you're gonna work. So since I'm in Canada, I'm gonna select Canada because I don't want to start a business in US right now, but North America will be fine if US people can access and I open the firewall to North America will be good. So the email is good. Phone, I'm trying to not put my phone here. If I have to, I'm gonna move the phone away. So and I'm gonna put my phone, but I'm not gonna share my phone. Use a different phone number to verify your identity. Okay, maybe address and city. No, thanks. Okay, I'm gonna bring to the other. I'm gonna fill out this form in the other screen so I can wrap it up and I'm gonna confirm and ask to I got just a message here from my phone and now I'm typing okay. Yes. Okay. Um, some information. Okay, let me see if in the past I could sign up without any credit card to um, the DevOps. Maybe oh I cannot right now. I have to put some credit card. Yeah, I'm in the screen. After I fill out that form, I have now to add a credit card here. So probably I'll have to do this. And in order to do this, I'm gonna stop the video and start again. But I'm gonna edit this so then you guys can, it looks like it's the same video. Just give me 1 second. Okay, now I just put in my credit card information here. Now it's mandatory. I don't know if it was in the past, but whatever. I just put it, and now I have like this guided tutorial to follow up, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm more interested into access the, but this is very interesting because you can produce guides and create a web app, deploy a virtual machine, everything in the Azure take online course. This is nice. So okay, but I'm okay with that. So you can create all resources and app services, function apps. Yeah, DB, blah blah blah. Yeah, okay. So one thing that I'd like to see. Yeah, I'm gonna use the same email also to the AWS, but I'm gonna do this later on because my goal now is to find the DevOps DevOps platform, Microsoft DevOps service. Um, Get started with Azure, but okay, I'm already in Azure. Use DevOps service or just what you need for your existing workflows. Agile plans to explore Azure board, CI/CDs, continue integration, improve quality. Yes. Learn more about Azure DevOps. See Azure DevOps pricing. Azure DevOps service. Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps server license. Um, Azure DevOps service. Okay. Yeah, I can start free pipeline, basic plan, so free Azure pipelines. Yeah, we have free, and this is for CI/CD, right? But when we reach the limit, we're not gonna charge it only if you change to a pay-as-you-go. But GitHub Advanced Security start free. Uh, Basic test plans 30 day. No, start free. This one, oh, I didn't show, but I mentioned it's get started. United States. No, I'm gonna put Canada. I would like to hear. Okay, I always like to hear P8 6 Y D B. Hmm. Okay, now I'm going to my DevOps organization. Oh, this is my DevOps organization now. DMelo says he got from there. Now I have an account here. Then I can go home, create a resource here. I can create a resource from menu. I'm not gonna configure this right now, but later on. And we can create SQL database. We can use Kubernetes servers to host and manage our um, um, Docker component. Docker containers and our resource. Yeah, a lot of things here. But let's focus. Private, public. I'm gonna create private because this is a SaaS that we're gonna uh, we're gonna sell for, I don't know, if someone invests 1 million for 10% of the company, it means that my company worth $10 million. So 10 million is a good number. So yeah, I'm gonna go for that. 10 million company project name. This is the project name. I'm not in a live chat, so I have to come up with a random name or maybe ask for suggestions since we are using AI. And I would like to, can you suggest a name for this project? Can you suggest a name for this project? Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, so net, I like the first one, course net, study circle, peer board, peer board, curse net. But curse, I believe, depending on the pronunciation, it's like a curse and curse, course. course. This is I know slightly, but I don't want it to be curse. Study circle. No, peer board. Peer board. I like this one. Collab class. Peer board. I don't know if you guys watch the Pied Piper, uh, the startup show, and they found they create the Pied Piper product. So yeah, let me go back here. Oh, this is the email. Uh, okay. I don't know. This is the no. This is a normal browser. That one. The email is the only the incognito. Okay. The project name will be Peerboard. Peerboard. This is the project name. Private create project. Create project. That's it. So this is how you're gonna start DevOps platform. I I really like. This is a former TFS Team Foundation, so this is really good, and it's free into like 5 people. So as you are creating this from scratch, so let's start it. So this is the wiki of the project. So create a project. So and we have the overview here and we have some stats. This is also related to the management and Scrum. So we have some product settings and some configuration. For example, I'm not gonna jump directly to the board because here we have like boards on repo, pipeline, test plans, artifacts, everything. And here we have the teams and codes, etc. But we have a very important configuration that is no the permission teams. It's related to the Scrum dashboard. Let me see. No. Teams overview, administrator. No team configuration. Oh yeah, epics. Yeah, epics from the Scrum will be like the big issues, and then we have issues. But this is an interactions area. Go to the process customization. Yeah, this is the process customization. That's what I was looking for. Projects, peer board, and change process. So see, we are using Agile. I'm gonna change to Scrum. Warning, after changing the process, you must manually update your work items. That's very important warning because as soon as you start it in one, you have to do this for all. I don't know how Jira works, if you can do like manual automatically, but uh, here when you are creating, you can see. You can watch the video, but I'm familiar with. So, okay, I just went there. So now I have epics, task, issues, backlog levels, epics, issues. So, all process, basic, agile, Scrum. I'm gonna um, set as default. Okay, is default. Now I'm on Scrum. Scrum now is my default process. So I'm gonna use Epic. I'm gonna use bug for bug, feature for feature, task as user story, right? And yeah, product backlog and activity for user be able to perform with the product. Yes, and test case, test plan, test suite. So yeah, maybe I'll add more or maybe not. But this starting point is uh, to create a startup and let me bring the GPT to this tab. Now, okay, we have here the names, the second prompt, but here all of this is the brief, and I don't need this, but here MVP. This is the scope of the project, the MVP. So we have ChatGPT split it by phases, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna follow this. Maybe I'm gonna split even more, but um, I'm still thinking about how I'm gonna split this. But anyway, I'm gonna get these core features for the MVP. The MVP is the project, right? But user registration will be one epic, and this will be creating everything related to logging, course, group creation, and joining. This is also an epic. Yeah, let me see. Epic, right? Help teams effectively manage and grow the product. Epic is the high level, right? And basic chat. Yeah, this depends of the course group. First, you create a group, then you create the chat, and obviously it can work in parallel, but one depends of the other. Um, File upload, download. Yeah, this one can go together with in parallel, but it's also an epic file upload, download, because I'm thinking here the file upload and download, you upload and download the file. Once you upload to the channel, the system we're gonna upload in memory is going to save in the cloud. Everyone in that group have access to this document. So to download, right? And and only admin or the moderator can remove yeah, maybe people can upload, things that are not related to the course, and the admin should avoid that. This also could be a feature to manage those kind of type files, and manage that. But it is another thing. But yeah, file upload definitely will be an epic with a lot of features like user stories and admin dashboard for instructors. Admin dashboard for instructor that suggests. Mm, yeah, definitely we need like a dashboard, not only to show the groups already created, but that will be maybe it could be, I don't know. I didn't come up with, because um yeah, I think if I turn that area open to public, everyone can go and search, and it is gonna take a lot of requests. So that will requires a different API to deal with the performance, and maybe people that are joining the group knows the course and knows also the link to joining. So I don't think, but maybe they want to join in, but they only, yeah, this is very interesting because this admin uh, bring more questions, and I'm gonna take a quick note here together with my email. Um, note, note. I'm gonna take notes like how who who can who can join in the group only with the link, maybe. If you have the link, you can join in, whatever. No, because I can share the link with random people and everyone is joining. So the company that is providing the course should share a code. Okay, the company responsible to the course to the course sh- um, will have a code will have a code to share with the students who will joining the group using that code. Okay, everyone with the code can join in the course. Or I'm gonna do a code for each. Yeah, a code for each. We gonna create code, a code for each of the students that the company added in the cars course. Of course, of course. Let's save. No, let's save. Notes. I'm gonna save notes. Notes. Yeah. Okay, guys. I believe that's it for now. It's too much talking, but soon I'm gonna get in hands-on. But basically, I'm not gonna spend time. Maybe I should. No, yeah, I'm gonna spend time because this is a step by step. Like I'm gonna do everything in front of you guys, because even copying these, each creating the features, but I'm gonna continue in the next video. So select the stack. Also in the next video, I'm gonna define the stack. Maybe I can add also in the wiki, and yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. This is the second video, and I hope you guys like it and subscribe to follow the whole process of the SaaS. And when I'm finished the MVP process, put everything online, I'm gonna open to if you want to join in the company or the development or the team will be welcome. Yeah, because I'll need for sure the help. So thank you and see you in the next episodes. Have a good day, night, afternoon, whatever.